Yeah, hi everybody, Dennis here. Picked up something about a week ago for our little partying needs, and this is an excellent price, so we snagged it. And I think you're going to be interested in seeing this, and the reason I'm doing a video is because it shows you what you get when you take it out of the box from Amazon. Kind of gives you an idea. So anyway, I'm going to open up this little guy now. And we're going to see what this is. Okay, this is wrapped up. This is awfully nice. I understand from reading the listing, this is 304 stainless steel, which is high-grade stainless steel, I found out. All right, this is the lid. This is looking pretty good, and you can see the built-in strainer. Pretty nice. All right, so hold on a second here. Ooh, that's on there. Nice. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. All right, so let's continue on here. Okay, here's the bonus jigger, ½ ounce, 1 ounce. This is my side, by the way. Anyway, this is what we've got for. Man, this is nice. Let me get the paper out of there. Heavy-duty stainless steel. This is looking pretty good here. So you put your mix in here. I think you probably already got this figured out. Put this little guy over it. This is first time. And put the lid on it. And let's just rock and roll. I think this is pretty slick right here. Good ergonomic feel. That's a nice word, isn't it? Ergonomic. That's the buzzword anymore. And it fits the hand nicely. So when you do the pouring, it's not gonna fall out of your hand. So thought you'd like to see that, and happy mixing.